1, 2, 3. Deep breaths, fish. Walk out of your house. Well, not a bear, big dog, guy. Cars going down the block. And it's not even the morning. Hey, I'm Fish. Thank you for joining me. Yeah, returning a doorknob that is not a Mortiz mistaken purchase. How do you like that? I'll tell you what I don't like. Not having the ability to turn on noise reduction, wind reduction in default mode of the camera. Does that light there and the light there bother you, give you a flare? Because my hemorrhoids are flaring up because of that problem you're bringing forward. I heard a woodpecker by the street light. Oh, it was for the blind. Great thing they put into the street lamps. 14 days. Yeah, I returned this bad boy, the Osmo Action 4, for the reason of DJI screwing up with the camera's firmwares. No one asked for the camera to dim on its own and shut off in idle, especially on OTG screen. I didn't, you didn't, but many other people may have. Well, I may have purchased my last action camera. I may have purchased my last primary camera, and I may have purchased my last camera for a long time until we see what years ahead come out with new products. I don't know why Insta and DJI and now GoPro are following suit where they remove the GPS out of the camera. Cost! They want you to buy the optional stuff. Oh, it could have caused overheating. It gave us better battery power. You know what? Why put it in there in the first place? I had to stop. I got a text. It's coming! And I'm glad it's not an iPhone 15 Max. Because I returned that shing too. You bet, baby. I either heard that freaking text or even felt the vibration of the buzzer. If I don't like something, I'll tell you straight out. And that's how I am. And it's not that hard to please me. Some things just are very easy to be pleased. But when things just don't work like they're supposed to, and things change, then we got a problem. A missing screw, something changing the thing, it doesn't do what it's supposed to do. Just the noise alone can get to you. Oh, don't get me wrong. I love my products. I love my camera. I love it all. I just hope I express my feelings to you. Out loud, right to the camera. And that's how I do it. I hope. I'm just gonna say, hey, I'm Fish. I'll catch you on many other videos to come. On that note, I'll see you later. I'll catch you later. Check the next vlog out.